Shall I run the
Testing
operation?
in the upward direction will
Yes.
start.
Running operation.
Photograph.
Yes.
Calibration.
Shall I run the operation?
Run.
Running operation.
Interjig distance.
Yes.
Move.
The crosshead will move in the upward direction.
Move.
Running operation.
Force 0.
Shall I run the operation?
Run.
Running operation.
Specimen protection.
Yes.
Start.
Shall I run the operation?
Run.
Running operation.
Manual mode.
Running operation.
Speed 1.
Running operation.
Start test.
Testing in the upward direction will start. Testing has ended.
Display brake value.
Running operation.
Close. Return home.
Returning in the downward direction will start.
Start.
Running operation. Exit voice control mode.